Hey everybody, Adam with Front Range Storm Contractors here. We're in Castle Rock. We're on site of a new build that we're doing. It's a pretty nice house, gated community, but the views here are amazing. Let me show you what those look like before I get to the meat of the video here. So, starting down here, let me zoom in. That is Pikes Peak right there. And then amazing view, 360 degrees around. There's mountains, there's flat irons up there. That's all the rest of the flat irons. And then, hold on. I don't want to go too fast. A little north there. Coming around to the eastern plains this way. Parker, all kinds of stuff over that way. Okay, anyways, so this is the house. Most of it's pretty flat, so we're going to put shingles on this here, but because of the pitch of it, we have to have 2 layers of felt here. Okay, so we got 2 layers of felt everywhere that we're going to have shingles for these 2 slopes here, that slope over there, these ones down here. And up here, got some high temp ice and water, because we're going to have metal standing seam over this way. So it's going to be standing seam here, standing seam there, there. This one's going to be standing seam also. And then this is going to be shingles. That'll be shingles. See my words. Felt. Letting the crew know where stuff's supposed to go. So, making a little bit of progress on this one. Crew actually got here a little early yesterday. They weren't supposed to start until today. They weren't scheduled to start until today, I should say. But they finished their other job yesterday early and came over here. Alright everybody, make it a good one.